Welcome to the Investment Dojo. Today, we're diving into Stock Market 101, a beginner's guide to investing in stocks. We're going to break down what the stock market is, how it works, and how you can get started. Think of this as your easy-to-understand guide to jumping into the world of stocks. What are stocks? Let's start with the basics. A stock is like a tiny piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small part of that company. Companies sell stocks to raise money for all sorts of things, like developing new products, expanding their business, or even just keeping the lights on. As a stockholder, if the company does well, you can do well too. The value of your stock can go up, and sometimes companies will even pay you a share of their profits, called dividends. Why invest in stocks? You might be wondering, why should I buy stocks? Well, investing in stocks is one way to potentially grow your money over time. Historically, the stock market has tended to increase in value, although it can go up and down in the short term. By investing in stocks, you're hoping to buy them at a lower price and sell them for a higher price later on, or earn dividends from the company's profits. How does the stock market work? Imagine the stock market as a big, bustling marketplace. It's not a physical place, but a network of economic transactions. This marketplace is where people buy and sell stocks. The price of each stock depends on how many people want to buy it and how many people want to sell it. More buyers than sellers, the price might go up. More sellers, the price might go down. Stock exchanges. There are these things called stock exchanges. You've probably heard of the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. These are platforms where stocks are traded. They have rules and systems to make sure everything goes smoothly and fairly. Reading stock charts. Stock charts can look like confusing squiggles and lines, but they're actually telling you a story. They show how the price of a stock has changed over time. You'll see ups and downs, which show how the stock's price has gone up or down. These charts help investors make decisions about buying and selling stocks. Choosing the right stocks. So how do you pick the right stocks? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here are a few tips. 1. Think about what you know. Invest in industries or companies you're familiar with. Love gaming? Look into tech and gaming companies. 2. Do your homework. Research the companies you're interested in. How do they make money? Are they profitable? What new things are they working on? 3. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different types of companies and industries. Remember, investing in stocks involves risk. The value of stocks can go up and down, and you might not get back the money you invest. But for many people, stocks can be a valuable part of their overall investment strategy. We're halfway through our journey into the stock market. In the next segment, we'll cover more about how to start investing, understanding risks, and some smart strategies for new investors. Stay tuned to the Investment Dojo, and remember to like and subscribe for more easy-to-understand investment advice. Let's make your investment journey a successful one. All right, let's continue our journey through Stock Market 101 Inches here at the Investment Dojo. We've covered the basics of what stocks are and how to start thinking about investing in them. Now, let's dive into how to actually start investing, understand the risks, and discuss some strategies to keep in mind. How to start investing in stocks 1. Setting up an account. First things first, you'll need an account to start trading stocks. This is usually a brokerage account that you can set up with an online broker. It's like creating a bank account, but for buying and selling stocks. There are lots of options out there, so look for one with low fees and good reviews, especially for beginners. 2. Start small. If you're new to investing, it's okay to start small. Some brokers allow you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can buy a part of a stock if you can't afford or don't want to buy a whole share. This is a great way to start if you're on a tight budget. 3. Practice makes perfect. Many online platforms offer simulation trading, where you can practice buying and selling stocks with fake money. This is a great way to learn the ropes without any real risk. Understanding the risks. Investing in stocks is not a guaranteed way to make money. The value of stocks can go up and down, sometimes unpredictably. This is what we call market volatility. It's important to understand that you could lose some or all of your investment, especially if you make decisions based on short-term changes or trends. Diversification is key. One of the most important strategies in investing is diversification. This means not putting all your money into one stock or one kind of investment. By spreading your investments across different types of stocks, industries, and even other forms of investments like bonds or mutual funds, you can reduce your risk. If one investment doesn't do well, you're not putting all your financial eggs in one basket. Long-term thinking. Many successful investors think long-term. Instead of trying to make a quick profit, they invest in stocks they believe will perform well over many years. This approach requires patience and a bit of research, but it can be less risky than trying to time the market for quick gains. Stay informed. The stock market can be influenced by so many things, from global economic news to events within specific companies. Staying informed can help you make better investment decisions. Read financial news, follow market trends, and keep an eye on the companies you've invested in. Conclusion: there you have it, a beginner's guide to navigating the stock market. Remember, everyone's investment journey is unique. There's no one perfect way to invest in stocks, but armed with the right knowledge and a thoughtful approach, you can make informed decisions that are right for you. Thanks for tuning in to the Investment Dojo. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward financial advice. Here's to making smart investment choices and growing your wealth. Happy investing!